Hello and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I wanted to show you guys how to do something a little bit more creative with Termux. For example, let's say that you wanted to type your name in text, but you want an image that uses text, if that makes sense. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, I will show you right now. So if you just copy this, apt update, and then click at, if you want this to be a bit quicker, apt upgrade, and hit enter. Now we'll currently check all the packages, that they're all up to date, so basically like Google Play Store. Next one thing we want to do is type in package install Figlet. Now what this will do is install the package. As you can see, I've already installed it, so there's no need for me to do that again. So now if you want to get this application running, what you have to do is type in cd Figlet or just Figlet, depending on your device. Now let me show you why this is pretty cool. So I'm just going to use a YouTube name. There we go. And for the next one, it's basically the same. It's a text that turns into an image, basically. So let me show you this one. Let's presume that you've already done the apt update and install. You don't need to do that every time that you open Termux, as it does install an update. So next thing you want to do for the next application is package install toilet. Now that's a bit of a weird one, but it looks really cool. So let's type it in again. Okay, it's not the channel that we need to type in, is this. Here we go. And voila, your name now is an image.